Good morning, everyone. Today, we will study an important topic in computer science called data structures. Data structures help programmers organize and manage data efficiently inside a computer system. A data structure is a method of organizing and storing data so that it can be accessed and modified efficiently. Choosing the correct data structure improves the speed and performance of a program. Data structures are generally divided into two main categories. These are linear data structures and nonlinear data structures. Examples of linear data structures include arrays, stacks, queues, and linked lists. Examples of nonlinear structures include trees and graphs. An array is one of the simplest data structures. It stores elements in contiguous memory locations, and each element can be accessed using an index number. Arrays allow fast access to stored data.
And queue adds to the rear, just like a person joining the back of a line. The queue removes from the front, like the first person being served. We connect 25 to 50. See how the pointer creates the link? And 50 points to null, ending the chain. Any questions on this traversal? So the right child of 100 is 50. And this 50 branches down to its own child node. See how it forms the hierarchy? So databases, search engines, operating systems, and social networks all depend on these concepts. So for a stack, last in, first out. We push elements on top and pop the most recent one off. Watch, push, then pop. So we've covered arrays, stacks, queues, linked lists, and trees. These are the core data structures. We'll apply them next. Class dismissed.